In this video, we are going to explore how to import phone numbers to your Twilio Flex contact center and use them as verified caller ID. When you enter your Twilio console, on the left sidebar select Explore Products. Here you must find phone numbers. We suggest you pin this to your sidebar for easy access. In Phone Numbers, please go to Manage and then Verified Caller ID. You can also reach this section by typing in the search bar Verified Caller ID. In this section of your console, please select Add a new caller ID. The system is going to ask you for the country code and number and if needed any extension. You can select text message or phone call to verify the number. For this example, we will use the call option.
Hello, please enter your 6-digit validation code. You have successfully validated your phone number. You may now use
+1 6 7 8 7 0 1 8 2 4 9
for your caller ID on outgoing phone calls. Goodbye.
Once the number has been verified, it will be added to your account. You can add a friendly name for the number to make it easier to manage. We suggest having the number dash and then a name for the number.